Hey everyone, and welcome to Boston Autoblog. I want to start this video off with some exciting news. I'm going to be going to the New York International Auto Show in March for the press days, which means I'll be giving you guys some exclusive content. We'll check out some of the cars that are being unveiled this year, and I'm really excited for that. Once I get my press passes, it will be official, so I'm really excited. I can't wait for this. First time going down to New York City for the International Auto Show, and it's just going to be awesome. So I'm already starting to work out all the details, my travel arrangements, so I'm super pumped for this. In the meantime, it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning, it's almost 60 degrees out. So I figure, why not take advantage of this nice weather, and tomorrow's supposed to be near 70, so there's some opportunities for content and getting some reviews. Today is going to be a perfect day. Not only is the weather nice, but all the dealerships that are in the area that I'm going to today have the cars I'm looking for. So let's head down there right now. Alright guys, this was completely unexpected. I wasn't expecting to do a review of a BMW X2, but I stopped in to check out what they had, and sure enough, they have one. I've been searching one for at least a week, so I'm gonna be the first one in the United States to do a review of this car. Really excited. Alright guys, so I just left BMW of Norwood. Can't believe I got that opportunity because I've been wanting to do that for over a week. I had planned on doing a Toyota Camry instead today, but this worked out even better. I've told you guys before in an earlier vlog that I'm an introverted person, and today I figured I didn't really want to go into a dealership. I was kind of timid, so I figured why not go to a dealership that I had no intention of doing a review for, and just to check out the cars, kind of loosen up a bit. And well, what do you know, I see the X2 there and thinking, hold on a minute, I'm not, nervous at all. I've been in the showroom for about 10 minutes looking at cars. Why don't I go and see if I can do this review? And sure enough, there it is, and wow. So I'm basically one of the first people in the United States to do a review of the X2. Didn't get to test drive it today, but you never know what happens down the road. Now I'm trying to figure out what to do next. It's 66 degrees out. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. I'm feeling very loose now, so I kind of want to go to another dealership. I don't know if I want to do a Camry, want to do a Honda Accord, maybe just stop by Ferrari New England. Now I'm on my way to Ferrari of New England. On my way down to BMW of Norwood, there was a 458 Speciale on the lot. I don't think I've seen it there before. I could be dead wrong, but why pass up the opportunity to take a look at a 458 Speciale? Alright guys, so I'm now at Ferrari of New England. I'm going to check out the cars that are on the lot. Got the 458 Speciale on the lot. Oh my gosh, this thing looks really nice. Love the color on this. Got some Ferrari Californias right here. The Testarossa in the back, and a 599. So if you know me really well, you know I love the Maserati GranTurismo, and right now I'm having sensory overload. All right, so we've got one GranTurismo here. We've got 2, 3, 4, 5 out front. There's one up front over here, and on the other side of this BMW is one more. I don't know guys, I've been pricing it out, seeing if there's any way I can get a GranTurismo this year. I do love them, I want one really bad. We'll see what happens. I mean, maybe not this year, but I do really want one. Whoa, wait, hold on a minute. I was just about ready to leave. Got an Alfa Romeo 8C here. Oh my gosh. I've only seen 2 of these in my life. Unbelievable, I did not expect to see that today. Alright guys, so this has just been an unbelievable day. Considering the fact that like last Thursday, I had one of the worst days of my life. This makes up for it big time. So let's recap this all for one quick minute. So first, I get press passes to the New York International Auto Show. I then go to BMW of Norwood, which was not planned. I get to do a review of an X2. And then I go to Ferrari New England and see a Speciale that I have not seen before, an Alfa Romeo 8C, and a whole bunch of Maserati GranTurismos. I think it's safe to say that today was a massive success, and with that being said, I'm going to call it a day. On my way home, I'm going to schedule some more reviews for tomorrow and see what happens. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe for more. Also, huge thank you to BMW of Norwood for allowing me to do a review of that X2. And also thank you guys for joining me on this adventure that I've had. I certainly didn't expect waking up this morning that I was going to go see an 8C or even go to Ferrari New England at all. I had every intention of doing a review at Honda and Toyota. And seeing as though how well today turned out, I don't think there's a need for me to go there today. So really, today just couldn't have ended any better. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.